Hi, it's your girl Jackie Crease. I want to talk to you about my product, the Pre-Cleanser Spray. The Pre-Cleanser Spray is for if you have dandruff, buildup, or if you're wearing wigs and weaves, you want the Pre-Cleanser Spray. The Pre-Cleanser Spray will break down any bacteria, fungus on the scalp to give you a clean, healthy scalp. For matted hair, after you take your extensions or your wig down, you can save your hair. The Pre-Cleanser Spray will start to break down the buildup on your scalp and dissolve it so that you would not lose your hair. I have another client for you to see that had psoriasis, buildup, dry scalp. Listen to what she and I had to say.
Should I use a rat tail comb to comb it out?
No, yes.
Regular, yes.
Yes, to comb it out, but
Yeah.
not to scratch up your scalp because it's under a microscope. It's bleeding.
Okay. So it needs to heal.
Right, it needs to heal. So what we're going to use, I'm going to use the herbal, or I'm going to use, it's 3 types of cream, which is the Revise, the Herbal Grow, or to stimulate hair growth, which is the Herbal Grow, and the Follicle Booster.
Okay.
And so this will just come out, so it's just dry scalp. But now there's a little bit more. So on a microscope, this is real red, like you scrape yourself. All you have to do is spray the pre-cleanser on, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the buildup. Then what you do is you start to rub the scalp and start breaking it down. Then go into your normal routine. And I have a special offer for you. Just look below, click, sign in, and grab your pre-cleanser today.